Really quick apology for the shitty camera, but this is the reason I don't record my face and whatnot, because it's the best I have. This right here is my new little kitty, Niko. Niko. We just finally got her today. Beforehand she wasn't old enough. Oh, what was that? Look at that. What is that? Oh, you got a little thing right there. Hold still. She's kind of freaking out now because this is her first time. It's her first time in this house outside of her own house. Overall, she needs to be settling in. Sure knows where food is, where litter box is. Hi. Okay. Careful. What are you doing? You can get down. There you go. So yeah, that's my new cat. That's all I wanted to do. Oh, Niko, what's that? Huh? Ooh, is it is that a backpack strap? Oh, wow! Look at that! Look at the backpack strap. Ooh, oh, got away from you. Oh.